Let's warm up your brain. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. In the fairy tale, who had a nose that grew every time he lied? Pinocchio. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? 100 degrees Celsius. Which gas do humans need to breathe in to survive? Oxygen. How many legs does a spider have? 8. Which fruit is said to have fallen on Isaac Newton's head? Apple. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? Tinker Bell. Which is the tallest animal on Earth? Giraffe. In which country is the Eiffel Tower located? France. How many days are in a leap year? 366. What do bees make using nectar from flowers? Honey. Who is the primary protagonist in the Harry Potter series? Harry Potter. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? Pacific Ocean. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. How many cents are in a United States dollar? 100. Which season comes after autumn? Winter. What is the name of the toy cowboy in the movie Toy Story? Woody. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? Cocoa. How many primary colors are there? 3. Which body part is used for pumping blood? Heart. What is the capital of the United Kingdom? London. Which shape has 3 sides? Triangle. What do we call a person who travels to space? Astronaut. In which city is the Statue of Liberty located? New York. Which animal says, meow? Cat. How many hours are in a full day? 24. What color are emeralds? Green. Which bird is famous for its colorful tail feathers? Peacock. What is the name of the giant clock tower in London? Big Ben. Which planet is the closest to the Sun? Mercury. How many players are on a standard soccer team on the field? 11. Which country is famous for the pyramids? Egypt. What is the frozen form of water called? Ice. What is the opposite of the word hot? Cold. Which fruit is famous for having its seeds on the outside? Strawberry. Who is the mouse that is the mascot of Disney? Mickey Mouse. What is the largest country in the world by land area? Russia. Which instrument is used to see stars clearly? Telescope.